Welcome back. In this lecture, let's learn to union two datasets. I have employees table in my Oracle database and I have a file called employees.csv with the same format. Let's union these two datasets. I have already defined the Oracle connections to get the data from employees table, and also I have defined the method to extract the data from employees.csv file. Now let's create a new method to union the records. We can union the records with simple plus operator. Let's define a function def union. Let's get the result from Oracle database. Self dot Oracle extract plus self dot. Let's get the data from file extract. That's it. This is how we can union the records. Let's assign a variable. Let's print the result. Let's call the method object name ETL dot method name union. We got the result. Let's print the result and loop to get the records in new line. For data for row and data print row. Let's get the data. I had 107 records in my database, 20 records in my employees.csv file, eliminating the header. Combining both the dataset, we got 127. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.